Hello everyone, I'm Francesca. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are continuing our barbecue week series and I have a dessert for you all. So this dessert is a vegan cannoli dip that is so easy to make. It is no bake. It is literally ready in like 15-20 minutes. You just make it and then you chill it in the fridge until you're ready to enjoy it. This was also enjoyed by non-vegans. So this has our non-vegan stamp of approval, so I think it's a great dessert for everybody and that anyone can enjoy. It is also nut-free. It does contain soy, but it is nut-free. So it's pretty good for anyone with allergies as well, and I think that you all will really enjoy it. It was so delicious, and with those little mini chocolate chips in there, you just scoop it up. Oh, it's so good. So as always, the full written out recipe is on my blog. There's a link in the description box down below for that. There's also the full written out ingredients in the description box as well, and links for my podcast, blog, social media, cookbook, so many things. And definitely be sure to check out yesterday's episode of Barbecue Week if you missed it. With all that being said, let's get into the video. So you're going to take half a block of firm tofu, and I just cut mine up into pieces so it would fit into the blender better, and you're going to pop that right in the blender. Then we're going to add in some nutritional yeast, which will help give it a little bit of a cheesy umami-ness to it, which we don't need to be too strong, but you want to put it in there, and some non-dairy milk of choice, unsweetened, unflavored. You're going to blend this up until it is pretty smooth. There can still be a little bit of texture, and this is just going to make our tofu ricotta, and that's really all you have to do. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward, pretty easy. Just blend it up. You know, you can leave it a little bit thicker in consistency if you want, but it should look something like this. That's kind of what we're going for. Then we're going to add in vegan cream cheese into a bowl. Make sure to use a good quality one. Then we're going to add in that tofu ricotta that we just made, followed up by, well, after all, I scoop all this in here. A lot of scooping to do, get that out. Then we're going to add in some vanilla extract, and then we're going to add in half of our powdered sugar. This dip is so easy to make. We're going to mix this slowly just for about 30 seconds until the sugar is dissolved. Then we're going to add in the remaining powdered sugar, and then we are just going to again mix it slowly until the powdered sugar is dissolved in there, so that way you don't end up with like a giant mess and covered in powdered sugar and cursing at me. Scrape the sides of the bowl down, get everything back kind of in the middle, and then we're going to beat it again on a higher speed for about a minute. This is going to whip some air into the dip, make it light and fluffy, and help to break everything down and get it really smooth and nicely incorporated, so there's no like chunks of vegan cream cheese and stuff like that, because we don't want that. We want this to be pretty smooth. So it'll look something like this, and you can see it's a thick consistency, kind of resembles pudding, I guess you would say. And then we're just going to add in our mini vegan chocolate chips. I'm using the ones from the brand Enjoy Life, but if you can't find minis, you can just use regular size, but the minis are just so cute. And now we are going to fold in the chocolate chips. I don't know why I keep doing that impression when I can't do a good one. I stuck at it in the lemon blueberry cake impression as well. Okay, so just fold them in, you know, make sure they're nice and well incorporated. You can add as many vegan chocolate chips as you like. It is totally up to you. You could even add nuts in here if you wanted to instead. Oh, look at that, beautiful. All right, now we're gonna put it in the bowl that we're gonna serve it in. We're gonna pop this in the refrigerator to chill for at least 20 minutes or until you're ready to serve. This has to sit in the fridge, okay? It can't sit out. It's gotta stay in the fridge, gotta stay nice and cold. You can crush up some waffle cones to dip in there. Very fun, very cute. Kind of like a cannoli shell, not really, but a little bit. Similar idea here. And then you can also pair it with fruit. I think it is delicious with strawberries. Those are really great for dipping and scooping. And that's pretty much it to serve it. I just put some extra little vegan chocolate chips on top just to make it look pretty. And then later on I ended up crushing some waffle cone on top, but that's totally for aesthetic purposes and just to make it look fun. And I think this is so cute, so easy to make. It was enjoyed by non-vegans, so we have a non-vegan stamp of approval. And I think it is just a really great recipe for summer because you don't have to think about turning the oven on, and it's, like I said, it's so easy to make. I mean, it literally takes like, I don't even know, 15-20 minutes. It's so incredibly easy. All right, everyone, and that was our delicious cannoli dip. I really hope you try it out. It is so good, and I think you all will really enjoy it. Like I said earlier, a full written out recipe is on my blog, and ingredients are written in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here. If you like my videos, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. All that good stuff helps the channel out, helps us to grow and spread more vegan recipes. Thank you so much for being here, and I really hope that you are enjoying barbecue week so far, and I'll see you tomorrow with another video. Bye.